magic, luxury, sophistication, or just a candy. When it comes to treats that captivate with their taste and presentation, Ferrero Rocher always stands out. These golden spheres with a crispy shell, nutty filling, and delicate chocolate coating have become a symbol of refinement. But how did this legend come to be? The story of Ferrero Rocher began in 1982 in Italy. Ferrero, a company founded in 1946 by Pietro Ferrero, had already achieved success with Nutella and other confections. But his son, Michel Ferrero, dreamed of creating something new, a candy that combined a rich taste, luxurious appearance, and affordability for mass consumers. Thus, Ferrero Rocher was born, a perfectly balanced confection in terms of texture and flavor, a crispy wafer shell, a whole hazelnut inside, smooth hazelnut cream, and milk chocolate sprinkled with chopped nuts. The name, Rocher, was inspired by the famous grotto of Massabielle in Lourdes, France, a significant pilgrimage site for the Ferrero family. But the product itself was conceived as revolutionary, a premium class candy that would still be accessible to many. However, the development of this delicacy took years. Michel Ferrero and his team experimented extensively with recipes, striving for that perfect crisp yet delicate balance of flavor. Beyond perfecting the taste, special attention was given to the packaging. It was decided to use golden foil, creating a sense of luxury. Combined with elegant transparent boxes, this gave Ferrero Rocher the status of an elite product, elevating its perception among consumers. The design was so meticulously planned that every element of the packaging reinforced the uniqueness and premium quality of the confection. To solidify this image, Ferrero invested heavily in marketing. In the 1980s, Ferrero Rocher advertisements became iconic. Glamorous diplomatic receptions, luxurious halls, and elegant waiters created the image of a candy worthy of high society. Slogans like, Ferrero Rocher, the symbol of refined taste, became ingrained in consumers' minds. Ferrero Rocher's marketing campaigns spanned internationally. In the first 5 years alone, the company spent more than $20 million on television commercials, magazine ads, and special events. This strategy quickly made the product synonymous with affluence, and sales skyrocketed. Following the launch of Rocher, Ferrero's stock prices surged by 35% within the first 3 years. This financial boost allowed Ferrero to expand into new markets, including the United States, Asia, and the Middle East. During the 1990s and 2000s, the brand expanded its range, introducing special holiday packaging, limited edition series, and new formats, further increasing the candy's popularity. Despite its success, Ferrero Rocher did not escape criticism. Some experts argued that a significant portion of the candy's cost came not from its ingredients but from its marketing and packaging. Several investigations revealed that the production cost of a single Rocher confection was significantly lower than its retail price. In 1996, British journalists conducted a test comparing Ferrero Rocher to more affordable chocolate candies, concluding that the primary difference lay in brand perception. However, this controversy did not harm the brand's popularity. However, the brand never positioned itself as a diet-friendly product. Moreover, Ferrero regularly published studies demonstrating that moderate chocolate consumption could have beneficial effects. On the contrary, the more the price was discussed, the higher demand became, a classic case of the forbidden fruit effect. Additionally, critics pointed out that Ferrero Rocher's high sugar and fat content made it far from the healthiest choice. Today, Ferrero is one of the largest chocolate manufacturers in the world, owning brands such as Kinder, Raffaello, and Tic Tac. Ferrero Rocher remains a symbol of elegance and refined taste. Over 3.6 billion of these chocolates are sold annually across 140 countries. They are served at official receptions, given as holiday gifts, and used as a sign of special appreciation. One of Ferrero Rocher's greatest achievements lies in its branding strategy. Unlike other chocolates that rely purely on taste, Rocher has built a legacy around exclusivity. The golden foil wrapper creates the illusion of opulence, and the structured presentation in transparent boxes suggests an almost ceremonial experience. The packaging itself is as much a part of the brand's identity as the taste. Additionally, Ferrero has successfully aligned Rocher with luxury events, reinforcing its image as an upscale treat. Many diplomatic and high-profile gatherings serve Ferrero Rocher, adding to its status. In 2017, Ferrero invested an additional $150 million into digital marketing strategies, ensuring that its legacy continues in the modern era. Ferrero's business model has been exceptionally profitable. After Rocher's initial success, the company reinvested earnings into research and development, leading to the acquisition of other premium confectionery brands. By 2020, Ferrero had purchased several major chocolate brands, including Nestlé's US candy division, further solidifying its dominance in the industry. The company's revenue soared, reaching over $13 billion in 2022, with Ferrero Rocher playing a major role in these profits. The success of this single chocolate product allowed Ferrero to fund innovations and expand into new confectionery categories. As the world moves towards healthier eating habits, Ferrero faces challenges in adapting its products to modern dietary trends. In response, the company has begun experimenting with alternative ingredients, such as lower sugar variations and new formulations to cater to evolving consumer preferences. Moreover, sustainability has become a focus for Ferrero. The company has committed to using 100% sustainable cocoa and palm oil by 2025. Additionally, it aims to make all packaging recyclable, helping to counter past criticisms regarding environmental impact. So what is the real secret behind Ferrero Rocher's success? Is it purely the taste, the magic of marketing, or the unique combination of both? Whatever the answer, Ferrero Rocher continues to be one of the world's most beloved and recognizable confections. Whether placed on the tables of world leaders or gifted as a token of appreciation, it remains a gold standard in the art of chocolate making. From a simple Italian family business to a global empire, Ferrero has mastered the delicate balance between indulgence and prestige. And as long as there is a demand for elegance wrapped in gold, Ferrero Rocher will continue to shine as one of the most iconic chocolates in the world.
Thank you.